Oh, okay. This is what we call fishing. Fishing and beer. Beer. And beer. Oh, fishing is fun.
It's a big fish, buddy.
Oh, big fish, huh?
Big fish.
Buddy. Get
Big.
on. On.
Ooh. I don't know what it is, man. What do you think?
For sure it's fish.
That I can tell.
Yeah, for sure it's a fish, buddy.
GT л бах та. Хөдөлгөөн нь мэддэхгүй байна.
Амар шаач.
Live, yeah. On my Instagram.
Арай амт болт юм байлээ шүү дээ. Тийм бил.
Oh, the balance, yeah. Use your thumb to control, right? It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. So
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. Woo! Live from Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida-гийн арал дээр арлын хайчуус.
From Mongolia.
2 GT барьлаа. Одоо 3 дахь нь GT юм уу юу ч юм.
For gym in the ocean.
Gym in the ocean. We don't need to go to gym in Bali. Just go fishing.
After how many GT today?
After 2 GT.
2 GT.
2 trophy GTs.
Two
After
trophy
that,
GTs.
jigging for bigger one. I don't know what it
Ready
is.
for after lunch, yeah?
You just after
Lunch
lunch.
is-
And bintang
After
and
big that.
digging a bit. Oh, look at that! Fishing is fun. Okay. Can you
Para
believe
sur
that
bueno.
you're fishing and doing bintang?
This is heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah, man.
Right. You're asking for jigging, and now because of the ocean, give you 10.
Yeah.
Little bit one. Just yeah.
Аа,
Use your
ороолтоо
thumb,
та
yeah, to
яг.
control the line.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, I got it now.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
I
Яваад
don't know
та.
what this is, eh?
Наа чи амар юм байна да.
Hopefully not turtle. Hopefully not turtle.
Oh, no way.
It's hopefully not turtle, but for sure there is fish.
Акул гараад ирлээ яана.
So after we left it to trophy GT for today,
See, yeah.
and now we don't know. Just right after lunch, and asking for jigging before we heading back to Bali. After bintang and watermelon.
Boom. There it
There
is.
it is. You
За
guys
энэ чи пив үлдлээ. Нэг пив бай.
watching us.
Cut that off.
Хаана байгаа вэ?
Bottle.
Wine. Yeah, up. Wine. Wine. Yeah, up.
Бараагүй шүү.
Don't stop with thumb, yeah? Let it go. Don't.
Okay.
Up. So it will taste, it will taste nice. So my friend in Mongolia, he is the fishing guide. Now he is my client.
Yeah. Still going strong.
Woohoo! Tell me how is fishing in Bali, buddy?
Пив ээ да ямарсан.
And what do you want, huh?
Tell about the spot, the GT moving spot, about the current.
Yeah, just around that corner. Yeah, in the current. We landed big one, and after that, around the corner,
Another big one.
another big one. And we came out here for lunch.
Lunch.
There we go. There we go. And another big one. I don't know what it is.
Woo!
Still no sign of the fish.
Ирж гинөө.
It was in the
That's
deep.
close. I think already 30 meters more.
Yeah.
30 метр.
Yeah. Hopefully it's a rainbow runner, buddy. Hopefully GT too. But I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll see.
You never know.
You never know, buddy.
Well, he's tired. No.
No, not yet.
Not.
Not yet. 여기
Oh.
Ooh. You want to take lettuce there?
Yeah.
Don't push. Yeah. Okay, one. No. It's okay. It's good. Drag is good.
Drag is good?
Yeah.
I think drag is too tight.
Too tight? No.
여하든 저기.
Oh, one more color.
One more color.
One more color. The purple color.
대모. 윗.
Hopefully not turtle.
Come on, man.
Hopefully not turtle.
If it was turtles, it wouldn't be that.
Yeah,
hard,
it's
isn't
deep.
it?
Yeah, this was deep. It's 80 meter deep, right? Any sign you see? Any color or any? Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh, not yet, buddy. Not
Not
yet.
Oh man.
Oh,
Anybody say
no, no, no,
anything?
it's fine. Not too far. I got more. Not too far. Too far.
He's tired.
네.
Guys, please wait. Yeah, please wait. We don't know. We don't know. And after that, you can bring bintang with
Oh,
it.
I'm gonna get a new one. Cold one.
Oop, 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 oop.
됐어.
Video, video, good.
예, 굿, 비자. 이자. 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Oh, 7 minutes. Woo! Okay, relax. Fine. When you back to the hotel, I think you need to book massage already.
Oh yeah.
Wind down. So tomorrow you can just relaxing after a big day.
Sure.
Wake up early.
Yes.
Fight with the trophy fish. Okay, no problem.
됐어. 생각보다.
Up, yep, this is the last color. The purple, this color.
Oh, I can see the color.
Oh,
Yeah, color.
Wait. Okay.
What is it?
예. 아또 대비.
Bring it here.
어이니시. 유어.
Oh, stop.
아꽃.
Oh. Maybe snapper. Ruby.
Snapper?
It's red color. Ruby snapper.
Huh?
Ruby, mana? It's Ruby. Mana? It's Ruby. It's Ruby. Big one.
우와! 유해.
Yeah.
유해.
It's a Ruby fish, buddy. Look at that. Oh, it's Kay. Kay, baka. Say hello to Kay, baka. Kay,
Let's
baka.
use
Kay,
me.
baka.
Snapper?
Kay, wale. Hello, Kay. Hey, Ruby snapper, Kay.
스나이퍼를 1더
Ruby
먹기 뭐.
snapper.
Ruby snapper.
In 80 meters deep, buddy. On a jig.
야이씨. 앙가리
Come on,
미친.
Kay.
우에.
Come back to Bali, Kay.
자, 나시가.
Please, with a jig, it's 200 grams. Metal jig, with big Ruby snapper.
Oh, picture time.
Photo, buddy, photo.
포토.
Wait. Close.
This, 야야야.
Photo.
포토. 오, 앙가리 미친. 유.
Oh, you GT shot.
Not DT.
오,
This
GT.
is
GT.
Oh, it's not GT, of course, yeah.
와, 스페이스다.
Oh, you know what? This is usually we caught in a dip, like 200, like 200 meter dip.
오.
But they're here.
와. 자, 나 미치게. 또 다시
But
미치게.
this fish we're gonna bring home, buddy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Bring it
Oh,
home.
this is yummy fish, buddy.
야.
I put